Well, Taryn Green, the suspect accused of wounding 4 law enforcement officers last week, appeared in court for the first time today before a judge.
Yeah, prosecutors are now trying to hold Green without bail. Fox 26's Natalie Hee joining us live from Humble with an update to the case we have all been following since last week. Natalie.
That's exactly right. We're back in Humble, where that standoff, hours long, went down just outside this home. You can see the home here now boarded up as it prepares for repairs. As for Taryn Green, he was back in court for the first time ever, charged with 4 counts of attempted capital murder against a peace officer. Taryn Green appeared before Harris County Judge Deshaun Jones for only a few minutes Monday morning before his bail hearing was postponed to Thursday. State prosecutors are asking for no bail for the 34-year-old suspect with 5 prior felony convictions and previous bond violations. But Green's defense attorney, Tucker Graves, says he plans to push back.
We're going to ask him to set a bond. Everybody's entitled to a bond. I think we've got some issues here we need to raise in front of the judge, ties to the community, that type of situation. But we'll just leave it up to the judge.
Green is accused of shooting and critically injuring Harris County Sheriff's Deputy Joseph Anderson during a traffic stop last week. Green then fled. His disappearance prompted a nearly 24-hour manhunt and eventually led to a 5-hour standoff at a rental home in Humble, where Green allegedly shot at U.S. Marshals, wounding 3 of them. Green was eventually taken into custody and charged with 4 counts of attempted capital murder, leaving the Humble home like this.
The government is immune from those types of claims under the Texas Tort Claims Act. And so even when they get it wrong, they go to the wrong house and tear it up, they're not responsible for that. So you have to fix it yourself, unfortunately.
Legal analyst Chris Tritico says although the home's property damage was caused by law enforcement, it was for the sake of public safety, so they won't be the ones responsible for footing the repair bill.
The property damage to the property is going to pale in comparison to the public safety issues that were involved in catching that guy who shot more than 1 police officer that night. That's the way the police look at it. That's the way the law looks at it, and that's why we make the police immune and the city immune from those type of damages.
Now, a Harris County Sheriff's spokesperson tells us that Deputy Anderson is now in good spirits and recovering at home. They say he was released from the hospital on Friday and is expected to possibly return to his duties as early as next week. Now, as for Taryn Green, the suspect accused of shooting him and wounding at least 3 other U.S. Marshals, he is due back in court on Thursday. From Humble, Natalie Hee, Fox 26 News.